Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can block and unblock a sender in Outlook. Go to your Outlook app. We will block Shopify. For example, click on the mail, then click on these three dots, go to report and report junk. This will add your mail to your junk folder, and whenever you get a mail from Shopify, they will directly go to your junk folder. Now to unblock it, go to junk folder, click on the mail, then click on three dots, go to report and click on not junk. This will add our mail to safe senders, means we can receive messages from this mail. Click OK and now the mail is unblocked. I hope you liked this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.